talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Chase app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention. To support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your